Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake this lemon drizzle bento cake. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I have the butter and the sugar in the bowl. You see the butter is nice and soft, which is easy to mix. Okay, so I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to zest the lemon for this lemon drizzle bento cake. I'm using a small lemon and a zester. This is quite a little handy tool that I like for zesting any citrus fruit. Okay, now I'm going to whisk it in with the butter and the sugar. Add in the egg and whisk. It smells wonderful. I love the lemon smell. Then finally I'm going to add in the flour and mix it in. Okay, that's it. It's mixed in. It's quite thick and drops off the spoon. If you think your batter is too thick, you can add a few drops of lemon juice or some milk to loosen it up, but mine is fine like this. Okay, so I'm going to add this into my prepared cake tin. I put a piece of greaseproof paper at the bottom of the cake tin so that it's easier for my cake to come out. So I'm going to level this with a knife. Now this is going in the oven until it's well risen and baked through. The lemon that you zested, you keep it because you're going to use the juice for the drizzle that will go in the cake. The lemon drizzle cake is ready. I'm just going to put it to the side while I make the drizzle for it. So in here I'll put some lemon juice. I'm using this soft brown sugar, but you can use any sugar. You can use custard sugar, even icing sugar works. Okay, mix it. Now, I'm going to poke some holes in the cake with a toothpick. You do this while the cake is still hot. Okay, these holes just help the juice go down well in the cake. I'm going to Okay, so the drizzle has soaked through. I've just left it for a few minutes, about a minute or two. You can leave it. Now I'm going to get it out of the tin. Okay, you need to shake it around a bit and it comes out so easily. Pull off the greaseproof paper and I'm going to put it this way around so that it doesn't affect the crunchy drizzle, and leave to cool completely. Okay, I'm going to cut the lemon drizzle cake to show you what it looks like inside. Can you see the crunchy layer of the drizzle? It's very nice and crunchy. Nice contrast with the nice fluffy cake. I'm going to taste it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.